Welcome back to MAURO'S Films. As you know, I got the MAVIC AIR the other day. And as a true cinematic footage lover, I heard all of your comments. So I went out to test all the settings and which settings are the best to get a smooth cinematic experience out of your Mavic. In the description of this video you can also find a free loot especially designed for the MAVIC AIR using Cine like D. It's a combination of the snow loots combined with the Lightroom loots. So enjoy it. And just one notice, at the time of this video I couldn't get my hands on some ND filters, but you should really use them, following the 180-degree rule. So let's jump in on the cinematic settings. Once you are in the Air, select the menu settings and scroll down to the advanced settings. Sensitivity. The numbers should be like this: attitude 100, brake 130, yaw endpoint 35. These numbers will give you the desired amount of control without being too harsh on the movement. Then select the camera gimbal advanced settings. The best settings that works for me are the max gimbal pitch speed 10 and gimbal start-stop buffer 22. The last thing to do once you are up in the air is selecting the icon for the intelligent flight modes and select the cinematic mode. This feature will smooth even more the movements of the aircraft. This also means that when you go full forward with the sticks, it will try to make a gentle transition to the max speed. In the camera settings menu, always try to shoot in manual mode, at the lowest ISO possible for the shot. Combine the shutter with the ND filters to be as close as possible to the 180-degree rule. Use the white balance that matches the weather conditions. Don't use auto white balance. Use the Cine like D color profile, because you will have more room to play in post. And you can also apply my custom created loot in the description down below. Let's go to the display settings. Turn on the histogram, so you will be able to better expose your shot. Turn on the overexposure warning. This feature will alert you whether the shot is overexposed with the white diagonal bars. You have to dial down the shutter or mount a darker ND filter. Select your grid lines of preference if you want to control better your roll of thirst and you are ready to go. There you go, if you are a new user of the MAVIC AIR, this tutorial should really help to get you the best cinematic footage. There will be a lot more videos regarding the MAVIC AIR and also comparing it to the Pro. And I will answer all your questions regarding which one you should buy. Until the next time, give me a really big thumbs up and also subscribe for more content like this. Enjoy my asterisk in the end of this video.